The concept behind Navina is that we have a vision to touch the world, and the way that we do that is through the art of Thai yoga therapy. Touch literacy is something that we talk about a lot in our classes and in our workshops, and it relates to how we utilize physical contact, not only in a therapeutic context, but also in a day-to-day interactions. Because when it comes to the communication and the amount of information that we communicate through touch, it's incredibly vast, and so it's almost like a language that we need to relearn. When you take a course with Navina, one of the things that we really have a strong focus on is viewing the practice of Thai massage through a more contemporary lens. So we take a look at things like some of the latest science and research on manual therapy and pain science, and we integrate that with some pretty rigorous study of anatomy and physiology to modernize the practice. When you're in a course with Navina, it's one of the pieces of information that we layer on top of everything that we do to give you a little bit more of an understanding of just how important this work is. When you have an understanding that we're biologically hardwired for touch, it really changes the way that you use this practice and you interact on an everyday basis. We don't necessarily change the shapes from a traditional Thai massage practice, but we might change the way that techniques are applied in those same shapes. Studying Thai massage is not just about professional development. It can certainly give you an extra vocation and an extra professional toolkit, but it's also about personal development. One of the things that we really focus on in Navina is this language of touch and this touch vocabulary that we've been talking about already. And it's important not only in the context of the work that you do, but also how you use touch in an everyday context. So think of these courses as not just professional development, but also personal development as well. And if you're interested at all in taking one of our workshops or courses, you can find all of that information on our website at navina.ca.